Okay, I am starting crypto for the first time. What app do I need to get started? Now, depending on the location where you are, but in this video, I'm going to mention the general application that anyone who is starting crypto right now needs, at least to study and follow the industry in a way that you will understand for long-term basis. Now, the first app that you will need for crypto, the first app you will need is CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. See, the two of them work alike. I kind of prefer CoinMarketCap because they have a community within it, and you can follow me on their community at 𝗕𝗜𝗓𝗓. Okay, my account there is actually verified, where people can make analysis. You see tokens, you see people's reaction, live reaction to how that token has performed over time. If the token is a scam, you see people's reaction following it. Also know that most of these tokens or most of these cryptos do other bots or other reviews. But regardless, you will see some verified checkmark reviews under it. You just do your research. So these two platforms are for research. Then the next platform that I also recommend for you as a crypto beginner right now is for storage of your cryptocurrency is Trust Wallet. Now, Trust Wallet is a multi-coin wallet. That's why I recommend it in the first place. Other wallets are some chain specific or network specific. Like we have MetaMask for Ethereum, then we have Phantom Wallet for Solana, and then we have Sui Wallet for Solana. So most of these other wallets are network specific, even though most of them have started accepting other networks like MetaMask. Now you can now store both Bitcoin and Solana token on MetaMask right now, but that doesn't still. But let's work with the one that actually accept all of them at once, and that's Trust Wallet. So Trust Wallet for storage. Now, for buying and selling, for exchange where you move money from your bank into the crypto and out of the crypto, you need an exchange, and that's where Bybit comes in, and even Binance. So Bybit, yeah, I do recommend Bybit if you're actually in Nigeria or something, because Binance you can use their P2P. So Bybit actually works. Binance also works. Okay. Yeah, so most times you need to register more than one exchanges because there are some that works better on a particular chain than the other. Like for instance, the minimum you can send out of Bybit of Solana or another coin on another chain may be more compared to Binance. Okay, so now Bybit, okay, exchange Bybit. Then the next thing I also want to recommend to you is Text Screener. Now, Text Screener is for all these new cryptos that are just being launched, and for on-chain for you to view the chart, the actual chart of any token. Now, on CoinMarketCap, you can actually see the chart of the token, but you can't really. It's not. You can see the chart of the actual token, but it's better off on Text Screener. You can see the actual volume distribution, the actual trader distribution, which is both, which is not both, the actual activity, daily volume, the 24 hours volume, the buy volume, the sell volume. You can the total holder. You can actually see all those technical details on Text Screener. CoinMarketCap is just what you're going to see is you see some of those stuff, but not better. Now, and you're going to see some other information. Then the next app I also recommend for you is X. You can follow me on X at 𝗕𝗜𝗓𝗓𝗏. At 𝗕𝗜𝗓𝗓𝗏. Okay, X is where you get first-hand information on most of this project you're actually following. If there's any up and down moment in the project, you're going to see them. You can also use their ticker. Their ticker, their ticker means, for instance, let's say you're buying a coin, Bitcoin. The ticker is $BTC. You can use their ticker to search information about them, what people are talking about them, or to gather information on what people are talking about them, because with that now, you can use that information to deduce your next movement. So we'll stop here for today. In the next video, we'll talk more about other tools that you may need.